Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever felt frustrated trying to make eye-catching graphics that actually look good without all the headaches, then you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create seriously awesome graphics in Canva, so you can stop making designs that, well, suck. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start a project in Canva, pick the right size, combine great elements, and turn a blank canvas into a design you're actually proud of. And you won't need any design background to follow along. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, open up Canva. You can do this right in your web browser, or you can use the Canva app if you've got it installed on your device. If you don't already have an account, it's free to sign up, and trust me, once you see how easy this is, you'll want to keep coming back for more. Once you're inside Canva, don't just click on any old pre-made template and hope for the best. Instead, look for the Create a Design button, usually right at the top or on the home dashboard. Click on that, and instead of picking a preset option, go under Custom Size. This is important because choosing your own size means your finished graphic will fit exactly where you need it, whether it's for a profile picture, a logo, or a fun social post. For today, let's set it to 200 by 200 pixels. This size is nice and square, making it perfect for simple icons, Instagram profile photos, or stickers. Hit Create New Design and watch as your empty canvas appears. This might look intimidating at first, a big plain square, but think of it like a blank piece of paper or a clean whiteboard. You get to decide what goes on it, and there are no rules except to have fun and try things out. Now let's add some personality. On the left side of Canva, you'll see a menu with options like Elements and Photos. Start out by adding a background. Maybe a soft color, a gradient, or even a simple textured image, something subtle that sets the mood but doesn't overpower the rest of your design. Let's say today you want a nature theme. Search for trees, mountains, and animals in the Elements tab. You can drag and drop them right onto your canvas and experiment with their placement. Layering mountains in the back, adding some trees in front, and maybe a cute animal gives your design a sense of depth, even within a small 200 by 200 pixel space. Now comes the fun part: color. Good graphics usually pop because of color choice. Don't just fill it with random bright tones, though. Instead, think about which colors work well together, like earth tones for nature themes, or maybe something bold and contrasting for a more playful look. You can click on any element and change its color using Canva's color picker. If you're not sure what looks good, try using Canva's color palettes. They're there to help you avoid combinations that clash or feel overwhelming. This part can take a few minutes, and that's totally normal. Play around, move things around, make your animals a little bigger or your trees a little smaller until things feel balanced. Don't be afraid to undo or try out different ideas. Sometimes the wow moment comes from a happy accident. Remember, the goal is not just to fill space, but to create something that feels intentional and, above all, doesn't suck. If you look at your design and smile, you're on the right track. Once you're happy with your graphic, you're ready to wrap things up. You'll find a Share button in the top right, click it, and then select Download. Choose your format. PNG is usually a safe choice for high-quality images, and hit Download. That's it. Your design is ready to use anywhere you want. Alright, that's our quick guide to making graphics in Canva that actually look good. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Canva tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching and happy designing.